Pokemon cards. The thing that always flops these days, at least on my TikTok. And the thing YouTube shadow bans me for. But you know, who cares? Ooh, hey, Cowboy, you a special baby. Oh, man. I don't care if it's not a rare card, and I don't care if it's worth like 50 cents. It's Sobble, which I also like that because it's so cute. Salandit, okay. Why? No. Shh. Pokemon Center Lady. I'm not gonna eat you, Stunfisk. You probably taste very nasty. Alright, so that was the Sword and Shield one. Bad lighting because bad room, and I can't plug in my ring light in here, which sucks. Chilling Green. Your mask. I like your mask. Coughing. Oh, hey, Shuppet. Can I evolve you into my favorite ghosty type? That's so cute. I get excited just by Pokemon. I collect these for the Pokemon. Oh, hey, look. Holographic trainer card. Holographic Gardevoir. Woo! Lame. Don't care. Ooh, hey, Kirlia. Gardevoir together. It's perfect. And then, don't care. And then, Tony! Alright, that's it for these Pokemon cards.